Hello and good day everyone, Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon I am going to be showing you a beautiful 1984 Chevrolet Scottsdale K10 4x4 short bed pickup truck. This truck is absolutely beautiful. Red and black, two-tone, all the chrome moldings down the side. Just a beautiful, beautiful truck. This truck originally came out of the South, so the paint, body, interior of this truck is super nice, very solid. Just an all-around beautiful, beautiful pickup truck. Has power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, automatic, small block engine under the hood. The tag under the hood says 305 5.0. I'm not sure if it's been changed out for a 350 or not. I did not run the numbers on the back of the engine. Wheels and tires, got aluminum slot wheels, Kenda Cleaver MT raised white letter tires, brand new exhaust, brand new shocks. Just an all-around very, very nice, clean, sharp truck, guys. I don't think they come any sharper than this. These color combinations are just absolutely gorgeous. The paint on this truck is very nice. The body's very nice. One small rock chip here. And check out the jams on this thing. Bottoms of the doors. Very, very nice. Interior is very nice. Seats redone, carpet's new, dash pad's new. Got the factory style AM FM cassette radio, dual tanks, tilt wheel. Behind the seat, the cardboard tray still there. Your factory speakers are still there. Seat belts are all intact. Four-wheel drive, of course. The only thing in the interior that I see, the headliner is coming down just a little bit. Not bad, but I like to point everything out to everyone. That's what we do here at Kenyon Classics, just honest and upfront with everybody, show you everything there is to see on it. We sell these vehicles all over the country and all over the world, and probably 75% of our customers never came here and never come here to check these vehicles out. They rely solely on our pictures, videos, and descriptions of these trucks and cars to make a decision. So that's why here at Kenyon Classics, we try to make sure you're fully informed of everything we know about the vehicles. And I can tell you about this one. This thing is absolutely beautiful. The paint is really nice on this truck. We ran it through the shop. We buffed it all out. It looks fantastic. Seats in good shape. Tilt wheel, cruise control. 69,000 miles on the odometer. Of course, I'm sure it's probably actual, but it's an old truck, so there's no way to guarantee that. Horn works. AC is cold. Turn signal, tail light. Probably one of my favorite color combinations on these trucks is black and red. Very sharp, very classy. Headlights, parking lights, brakes, or left turn signal. Got a set of headers on it. Aluminum intake, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carburetor, electric choke. Show you underneath this truck too. I took some pictures. Glad to show you a little bit of a video of underneath of it. Might have a little bit of dirt under there that kind of hard to get all the dirt off them sometimes. Odometer works, all your gauges work. Gas gauges. I think E means enough. Again, you can see the quality of the paint job on the hood. Truck goes down the road nice. It's got plenty of power. Just a nice, clean, very, very solid truck. If you're interested in buying this beautiful 84 Chevy short bed K10 4x4, give us a call, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kinionauto.com, KINION-auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So give us a call if you're interested. We have 150 vehicles in stock. Not all of them are on our website or marketed, but we have a lot of them in stock. Give us a call today, guys. I hope to talk to you very soon. I hope you all have a great afternoon today, and we'll talk to you later.